Hello, thank you for choosing Paul Sherry RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're going to be having a look at a toy hauler made by Forest River. This is a Vengeance and the model number is a 28V. Now this toy hauler weighs just under 6,300 pounds, so if you have a more powerful half-ton, this would be towable by that. Notice here up front we have an electric tongue jack. There's 2 LP tanks. So a plate here so where you could install a generator if you'd like. Spot for 2 batteries up front. We have a storage compartment here that goes all the way through. And an outside shower right here. That storage compartment. This comes with a table. It's a big power awning, runs all the way down the side of the coach. Got 2 outside speakers here and a place to mount a TV. Now with these Vengeance toy haulers, this rear ramp you can actually suspend it with these cables to where you have like a walkout patio. It has railing that flips up. Obviously, if you have to take these cables down to drop the door down to move your toys in here. Pretty neat feature though. Notice up there, it is pre-wired for a reverse camera. So there's a mount already there you can install it on. Let's have a look inside here. Again, everyone, this is a 2016 Vengeance 28V made by Forest River. Nice wooden blinds. Cabinets up top, CD player here. Put these 2 sofas on each side. These will drop down into a bed. You can also fold them up so where you can store your toys in here. The table that was in that storage compartment in the front of the trailer you would use here, and that's where you would eat at. Very big sink here. Cabinets up on top. This is actually a convection microwave grill oven combination here. You've got 3 burners on top. There's a place for a TV here. It's all pre-wired. Big refrigerator and freezer. It's like 8 cubic foot. Got 2 bunks here on the front. And little curtains block the light. There's a chair as well. Back here is where the bathroom's at. Here you can see it's a nice sized bathroom. Very tall ceiling in this trailer, so all you guys that are, 6'4" or taller have no problem in here. Sink, medicine cabinet, toilet. Very big bed up here. Appeared to be a little bit bigger than a queen. Storage on each side. Storage underneath the bed as well. And the storage. Very neat toy hauler, guys. Again, this is a 2016 Vengeance 28V. I said earlier, this trailer weighs a little under 6,300 pounds, so it would be towable by most of your half-ton pickups. It's Paul Sherry RVs, Piqua, Ohio. Come check us out.
Shopping for an RV can be very difficult. There's so many makes and models to choose from. And how do you ever know if you're going to get a good deal on what you're buying? My name is Mike Sherry and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. Our goal is to make your RV buying experience as fun and painless as possible, and of course, provide you with the best deal in the market. But don't take my word for it. Go online and read all of our reviews from happy customers of ours. Feel free to call, email, or chat into us with any questions you might have.